First things first, I'm awkward as fuck. Hey guys, welcome to a video. I wanted to sort of break the ice and make a first video since I'm kind of hesitating. It's kind of weird. But I just want to let you guys know that I'll be making way more YouTube content. Hopefully in regards to the business, to teach and inform and just give a little perspective and experience background. Why am I talking so fast? Essentially, I want to create YouTube videos to help you guys I want to make YouTube videos. Let's just put it at that. No, but for real though, I get a lot of questions from my followers and sometimes the same ones over and over again. So I would like to make these videos to teach those that are asking as well as others that may not be asking or that are maybe curious to see how things are done behind the scenes or how I got things started. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy these upcoming videos and enjoy the ride, or not the ride, what are you guys riding? Enjoy the channel, enjoy the cat. The cat, can it? I'm awkward as fuck.